Hey, what's up, Riverhawks? This is Mr. Ippolito from RioTV,
And I'm Mrs. Racina, one of the counselors here at Rio.
and we are here today to show you how to read your class schedule so you can be in the right place at the right time every day this week. Let's go.
All right, so Mrs. Racina, this is a sample schedule here. So take us through what today is going to look like with all classes.
Okay, today with all classes is a C day, so we're going to put C right here. And first period we're going to go to is our period 1 class. As a little tip is you can look at this number and it'll tell you what period it is. So we have period 1 and then the room location. Then we're going to go to advisory. Again, the room location's at the bottom. And then we're going to go to period 2, and here's the 2 you're looking for, and then the room location. After period 2, we're going to go to brunch, and then we're going to go to period 3 after brunch. Again, here's your little tip of remembering the period and the classroom location. After period 3, we're going to go and head out over to period 4. Period 4 is right there, and there is a room location. After period 4, we're going to take a nice little break and go to lunch. Then after lunch, we'll go to period 5 and period 6.
Great. All right, so that's the first day of school today. Now, tomorrow I understand we're starting the block schedule. So tell us what that means with an A1 day starting tomorrow.
That is correct. We are starting block on Tuesday. So we'll put that T right there. So we're going to start with an A1. Another little tip is after the letter, you're going to see a number, and that's the period that we start the day with. So period 1 will be right here, and we'll go to that location, and then we'll go to advisory right after that, and then we'll have our brunch.
Okay.
And then we'll go to period 2, have lunch, and then go to the last period of the day, which is period 3.
Great. All right, so that is Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and there's something different about Wednesdays here at Rio Norte. What's that all about?
Yeah, so Wednesday is sometimes known as an E day. That means it's an early release, and we get out at 1:30. So what is going to be a little bit different on Wednesday is we're going to go period 4, because we see there's a 4 right here. We are not going to advisory on Wednesday because it is a shortened day. Okay, and then we'll go to periods 5 and period 6.
Great. All right, so no advisory ever
No
on early release Wednesdays.
That is correct.
All right, so now Thursday I see is an A2 day. So how is that different from the A1 day?
Okay, so over here we're going to look at, we see that it has a 2 instead of a 1. So we're going to start with period 2. So we'll go to period 2, we'll go to advisory, we'll go to period 3, and then we'll start with period 1 for after lunch.
Great. And then just rounding off the week for Friday. So that was Thursday. And now this is Friday, a B5 day. So what do we do on Friday?
Friday is a B5, so we are starting with period 5. So we'll go to period 5, we'll go to period 6, advisory, sorry.
Yeah.
Then we'll go to period 6, and we'll end with period 4.
Great. And then finally, Mrs. Racina, you talked about the room locations. What if we're having trouble finding our classrooms? Is there a resource that students have already been given that might help us to find where our classrooms are?
Yes, there is. On the back of your agenda binder reminder, there is going to be a little map. And all the buildings are labeled, so you can easily find where you need to go.
Hey, so Riverhawks, thank you so much. And Ms. Racine, I wanted to ask you, do you have one final tip or a bit of advice for students here on their first day, their first week of school here at Rio?
Mr. Ippolito, I want everyone to remember we're all in this together. If you feel a little nervous, a little lost, that's okay. Ask an adult. We are here for you.
We're here for you. We love you. Have a great first day and have a great week of school here at Rio Norte Junior High School.